Hey everybody, Mark here at L&B Designs. We had a really cool request from a client to create this one-of-a-kind custom river table. So we used this silver maple. We used all of their father's hunting and fishing supplies and put them in the river. And on the end of the table, we incorporated a wine barrel as a recycle bin. Throw all your empty cans inside. There's a drawer inside that pulls out that will have a steel garbage container on, so when the bag's full, you pull it out, change the bag. Close her up. It'll sit on a set of maple cabinets that are already made. And once we install the top, we'll get some photos of all that once it's all complete in the room. But just show you a few pictures here, what we got going, and drop in the comments. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.